The wind hums softly, the sun leans in, quietly thriving amidst life's din. No one needs to see, no one needs to care. Still they flourish in the morning air, like dreams that linger, yet take no form, gentle and bright through life's quiet storm. Wildflowers by the roadside, small they may seem, yet they carry a world full of dreams. Though no one remembers, no one waits, they rise, painting the skies with their face. Life is a